Hi everyone, Nikki here from Fine and Country. Welcome to my first market update of 2023. After a turbulent and unusual 3 years in the housing market, 2023 is set to bring a calmer market as the heat of the last 2 years continues to cool and the economic backdrop slows sales activity and demand. Rightmove and 𝙅𝙖𝙣𝙪𝙧𝙮 have both reported that property trends are heading back to those last seen in 2019, pre-pandemic. The so-called race for space, which has epitomised the market in recent years, seems to have now run its course, with buyers creating firm demand in urban areas. London returned to its top spot for the most searched for location in 2022. We are still seeing UK price growth remaining in positive territory. However, the market in 2023 is set to favour the buyer, and buyers who are going to transact in 2023 are undoubtedly going to be more cautious and therefore more price sensitive than we have seen. Realistic pricing from sellers is going to be crucial for achieving a sale in the market conditions we're entering into. The time to sell is creeping up with less stock available, but at 45 days reported in November, it is still much lower than the 67 days reported by Rightmove in November 2019. Entering into 2023, we are seeing lower mortgage rates available than in recent months. There are several fixed rates below 5% available, which will be giving buyers some confidence back. The recent announcement of the mortgage guarantee scheme until the end of 2023 will prove to be beneficial in this sector, encouraging activity with first-time buyers. The most important thing for many to remember during this time is that buying and selling in the same market conditions means you still net the same. Yes, prices aren't going to be as high, so you may sell for less than you expected, but you will also be buying at less. The market's just shifting back to where it was pre-pandemic. Here at Fine and Country, our diaries have been filling up with viewings across the Midlands since the beginning of January, so we are very optimistic for a good start to Q1. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and please do get in touch if you've got any questions.